Welcome back. In this analysis, we can see if analysis, test functions, and mathematical operations, how we can perform. A student's marks was there, and you want to find out how many students in the list has been passed or failed. Then you can go to the result. Uh, First, you have to select a column where the result need to be where you want to get the result. So under that, you go to the cell and just double click here. If you type if, automatically the function will appear. You can double click it to get it. And you want to select the logical function here. So once again, I'll see you, I'll change it. So suppose here the column heading I have given as result. Under that, I have selected one cell and I'm clicking equal to. After clicking equal to, I'm using if function. Double click it, and the logical test you have to give here. Logical test means either maybe greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. All these are considered logical. Then I want to find out whether the student has failed or passed. The minimum marks was 35. If this column marks obtained is greater than or equal to 35, student will be declared as pass, otherwise fail. For that, what I need to do, I need to select the cell where the marks obtained. This marks obtained was D4. D4 should be greater than or equal to which column? C4. So logical test I have given. After that, I want to tell if this condition applies, then it is pass, comma. If the condition not up, this condition fail, then the result is also fail. Yes. Then you will get the result here. Fail. As the marks obtained was 30 and minimum marks required is 35, the result came as fail. So to get the result for all the data, you can double click it, then you can see the data here. As the result here is the 35 and marks obtained also 35, the result came as pass. The marks obtained was 40, minimum marks required was 35, result came as pass. So marks obtained was 50, result came as the minimum marks to pass was 35, then the result came as pass. This is how we can use the if analysis. So when it comes to the test functions, if the test was, what are the tests that we have collected or we got is not in proper order, then if you want to make it in proper order, just go to the cell, click test type proper, automatically this will come, then select the cell, press enter. The data will become automatically proper. This can be applied for all. So you may not find much difference in this, but when you go to the upper, if you want to convert the total test into upper, then click type upper. It appears automatically. Select it, select the cell, press enter. Then you can see the total font has been converted into upper. Suppose, okay. So if you want to convert the total data into lower, click type lower, select the data, press enter. The total text or font is going to convert into lowercase. So if you want to find out the length, okay. So like this, we can convert the data into upper or lower. Different mathematical operations that what we can perform here. Suppose if you want to find out the profit, profit is equal to revenue minus expense. Then press enter is equal to select the revenue value minus select the expense value, press enter. Automatically you can find the profit or loss. Profit or loss. So once you got this, then double click here, you will get all the values of profit or loss. So if you want to find out a particular value in the order ID or somewhere, then what you can do is you can use the H loop command. You can use the H loop command. So to use this command, you have to use H loop. How can you do that? You have to type H loop. First you have to type H loop. Then you have to select the order. Then which row it was, that we'll see now how to do it. Okay, right. So first I'll type H loop. It automatically comes, appears. Then select the select which order ID you want. So order ID I want is 1268. Okay, G5. Okay, comma, and select the total range now in which it is there. Then comma. It appears in 6 plus 6. It appears in 1, 2, 3. Second value, unit price. If you want unit price, you can give 2. If you want quantity, you can give 3 because it was in the second row or the third row of the selected region. Then type false. False. Okay, close the bracket. Press it. Automatically, you will get the value here. So I selected 1268. The value here is 21. Suppose if I want quantity, then I can change this as 3. Press enter. Then I'll get quantity here. So if I want to find out the value of 1264, the value of 1264. So 1264 was in G. 1264 was in 12673. Let be 12673. It was in C5. Then you just remove the G here, keep it as C. Then automatically values of here will come. This is how to use the fetch loop. And we can do vertical wise also in the same way. So you can use the command equal to, and which one you want to look. I want to find out shoes. First you have to type VLOOKUP. Once they appears, then first I want to find out shoes. It has to be given in colon, then comma, select the range. I want to find out the quantity. I'll give 3. If it is false, false means exact match. Then press enter. You'll get 26. You'll get 26. Shoes value was 26. Suppose if I want to find out for laptop, just remove the shoes here. Type LAPTOP laptop, press enter. Laptop value was 4. So if I want to find out the price, instead of quantity, I can give here 4, press enter. Then you'll get the quantity of price of laptop. So like that we can use the V loop and fetch loop.